Powered by Plascon, today's handy heroes come from Chamberlain Silver Lakes in Pretoria.
This store has been here for the last 13 years. We're in Pretoria East, in Silver Lakes to be more specific. We specialize in selling paint. That's our fastest and most selling product, if I can call it that. What I love about our store is we specialize in service. What it's about for us, service, service, service. If you're a DIY customer, a trade customer, contractor, we service all of them. Any person where there is something wrong at your house, you want to upgrade your house, paint, build, gardening, you name it. What I love about our customers is probably everything. What makes this the best store to buy Plascon products from? We've got a massive range of Plascon paints, anything from 500ml paints till 20 litres. We've got vast amounts of stock, so if you want to repaint your entire house, we don't just keep 120 litre in stock. We've probably got 20 or 30 tins. We can probably mix any color you'd think of, as you guys can see behind me. What I love about the Plascon brand is they really just sell you a quality product. If you want a product that's never going to fail, Plascon's your go-to product to go. My favorite Plascon product, it's easy, wall and all. If you want a durable paint that's going to last almost a lifetime, wall and all. DIY tips and advice, guys, for painting, preparation, preparation, preparation. Chamberlain Silver Lakes, famous for hardware and paint.
Today's handy heroes is powered by Plascon Wall and All. Unmatched dirt, stain, water and fade resistance to keep your walls beautiful for years. Plascon, together we've got this.